Men have always been intrigued by the depths of women's fantasies, seeking to understand the nuances that awaken their desires and stir their emotions. Exploring these hidden realms is like discovering a treasure trove of untamed desire and passionate longings. Now, there is a book which talks about human sexual desires, and that book is called A Billion Wicked Thoughts, authored by a group of audacious engineers at Google. Through their analysis of billions of internet searches, they discovered fascinating revelations about human sexuality, including the driving force behind the development of the desire itself. You see, the proclivity of young men to search for sexually provocative images played a pivotal role in shaping the technology that now connects us all. The fascination with sexuality and desire has always been an innate part of human nature, and the internet became the vast canvas upon which these primal desires were explored and expressed. But let's focus on the mesmerizing realm of women's sexual fantasies, a place where dreams merge with reality and the imagination runs wild. In their pursuit of understanding, the Google engineers looked at pornographic search processes and then segregated male searches from female searches. They did a plot analysis of the typical pornographic female fantasy. What they found was both shocking yet very intriguing. Warning: I'm going to give you the secrets to a woman's hottest sexual fantasy. Give me your full attention, because what I'm about to tell you, each and every word is important. Let's start off with the first one, which revealed the 4 classic monsters. It revealed the archetypal female hero myth, one that involves encounters with mysterious, aggressive, and dominant male figures. There were 4 classic male monsters that emerged as the central figures in women's fantasies, each embodying elements of dominance and allure. The first enchanting figure is the vampire, a timeless creature of the night, alluring and dangerous, with an aura of predatory dominance. Next, we have the werewolf, who is captivating in its primal nature, symbolizing untamed desire and the allure of the wild. Then there's the pirate, a swashbuckling adventurer with a hint of rebellion, tapping into women's yearning for excitement, adventure, and the thrill of the unknown. And in the end, there was the surgeon, embodying both skill and control, reflecting a desire for competence and mastery that draws women into a world of trust and vulnerability. These archetypal figures become vessels for women's exploration of the encounter with chaos, a dance between submission and dominance, between taming and being tamed. It's the intertwining of aggression and civilization, a realm where passion is unleashed and desires take flight. But the core premise is that the woman encounters this mysterious and aggressive male that tames them. It's kind of like Beauty and the Beast, which means aggression is extremely a must, but it must be civilized because it can be extremely dangerous. What this means is that women desire and long for a partner who is dangerous, dominant, and aggressive, but has it under control. Number 2, the billionaire. The allure of the billionaire as one of women's hottest sexual fantasies stems from a multifaceted blend of factors that transcend mere material wealth. Financial abundance plays a role, but it is the symbolic representation of power, ambition, and boundless possibilities that captivate the female imagination. In the billionaire fantasy, women are drawn to the immense power and dominance this figure exudes. The billionaire represents someone who has achieved unparalleled success through determination, intelligence, and entrepreneurial prowess. This level of achievement instills a sense of respect and admiration, evoking desires of being with a partner who commands authority and can navigate the world with assertiveness. Beyond power, the fantasy offers a glimpse into a world of luxury and extravagance. The allure of opulent lifestyles, private jets, exotic vacations, and lavish experiences captivates women's imaginations, creating a desire for a life filled with grandeur and indulgence. The billionaire fantasy delves into the emotional realm. Women associate the billionaire with an unwavering sense of security, both emotionally and financially. In the billionaire's embrace, they imagine a partner who provides unconditional love and support, offering a sanctuary of comfort amidst the chaos of the world. The billionaire fantasy represents an escape from the ordinary and mundane aspects of daily life. It offers a chance to break free from financial constraints, worries, and responsibilities. In this dreamlike world, women can let go of inhibitions and explore the thrill of a life unconstrained by limitations. The billionaire figure embodies a self-made individual who has risen from humble beginnings to achieve extraordinary success. This aspect of the fantasy resonates deeply with women as it represents the possibility of transformation and growth. It symbolizes the potential for positive change and the allure of being part of an inspiring journey towards greatness. Number 3. The Sigma male. The Sigma male holds a unique and powerful allure as one of women's hottest sexual desires. It's his distinctive blend of qualities and characteristics that sets him apart and ignites women's fascination. The Sigma male's sense of independence and self-reliance are irresistible to women. He doesn't conform to societal norms or seek validation from others. Instead, he charts his own path, unburdened by the need for approval. This air of mystery surrounding his motivations and actions intrigues women, making them eager to unravel the enigma that lies within. Unlike traditional alpha males, the Sigma male possesses emotional intelligence and empathy. He understands the importance of genuine connections and values open communication. His authenticity creates a safe space for women to be themselves without judgment, fostering a deeper emotional bond. The Sigma male isn't interested in shallow encounters. He seeks meaningful connections built on mutual respect and understanding. This genuine desire for emotional intimacy resonates with women who yearn for more than just physical attraction. The Sigma male's adaptability and inner strength are highly appealing to women. He navigates life's challenges with resilience and grace, inspiring confidence in those around him. His ability to handle difficult situations and remain composed creates a sense of security and stability. The Sigma male operates independently from social hierarchies and group dynamics. He doesn't seek validation or status from others, which gives him a sense of freedom that women find alluring. He is his own person, unbound by societal expectations, which makes him captivating and mysterious. And women long for a mysterious man in bed because they want to solve him. They really want to know what's going on inside the life of such an individual, and this fascinates women like nothing else. The allure of classic monsters, billionaires, and Sigma males as women's hottest sexual fantasies lies in the profound appeal they hold for women's desires. From the thrill of being tamed by mysterious men to the attraction of power, luxury, and emotional connection, each fantasy taps into fundamental aspects of female sexuality. These fantasies embody the longing for dominance, security, and genuine emotional connections, creating a magnetic pull that entices women to explore their deepest desires in the arms of such men.